Malaysia, a Southeast Asian nation known for its diverse culture and stunning landscapes, holds a unique historical narrative that remains largely unknown to many outside its borders. This narrative unfolds during the Japanese occupation of Malaysia during World War II, marking a period that shaped the nation's future in crucial ways both politically and socially. The storyline begins in 1941, when Japan launched its invasion of British-controlled Malaya. The swift progression of Japanese troops into Malaysia was unexpected and unopposed for the most part, as they relied heavily on bicycle infantry units, enabling them to traverse the dense forests and plantations with surprising agility. During this period, Malaysia's indigenous population experienced drastic changes. They were subjected to forced labor and indoctrination under Japanese rule, leading to severe socio-economic conditions. Despite these hardships, a sense of nationalism sprouted amongst Malaysians as they were encouraged to forsake their British colonial ties and embrace a Pan-Asian identity led by the Japanese Asia for Asians ideology. A notable character in this narrative is Lai Tek, a mysterious figure who played a dual role as both a communist insurgent leader and a spy for the Japanese. His exceptional ability to maneuver between rival factions and manipulate political landscapes left a lasting impact. His betrayal of the Malayan Communist Party to the Japanese authorities was a pivotal moment that weakened the anti-Japanese resistance front, reshaping the trajectory towards eventual independence. Another unexpected twist in Malaysia's history during the occupation was the development of the tin and rubber industries, which were exploited by the Japanese for war efforts. This exploitation eventually laid the groundwork for Malaysia's post-war economic infrastructure, as these industries expanded and thrived long after the occupation ended. The Japanese occupation also intertwined with Malaysia's ethnic tensions. Malays and Chinese faced different treatments, leading to strained relationships and fostering a complex socio-political environment. By 1945, Japan's defeat in the war led to British reoccupation of Malaya, but the seeds of independence sown during the Japanese era took root. Malaysia's push for self-governance began to take shape, driven by fresh nationalistic fervor and a reconsideration of their place within Asia.